Okay, I finished lining this in, and you can see, just zoom in a wee bit, that I've very much darkened in the lines now. I would like to not have, you know, these lines in here really showing, but the only reason they're showing is because I need to see what I'm doing. So when you do it, you should definitely make sure that your outlines are clear. There's a clear distinction between your outlines and your construction lines, and where possible use really light lines on the inside. Okay, so we're getting there with the drawing. What we've got to do now is this slot here. Okay, we've shown the section here, this bit's been cut out, and then now what we need to do is form up the rest of the top parts of the gearbox cover and deal with the slot that's in here as well. Okay, so I'm going to do some measuring up for this. It's 45 to the top of the slot, so that means half of that's 22.5. So from that centre line, 22.5. Just sharpening up my pencil. Okay, so from there, 22.5 to there. Okay. So basically, I can draw a line firmly from there to there, because I know that that's the point that things start to slope down. Okay. Now the slope is 40 long, which is 20. Okay, so that should take us to there, which it does, and that means that it's 20 down. Because it's 45 degrees, it's 20 down. So basically, the slope takes us to there. Okay, to that point there. So the slope's going to go between that point and that point. Okay, and then in the slope there is the slot. Okay, so you can't do that and get your 45 square out, because it doesn't work. So you have to measure it. So I've got the 2 points, and I'm just going to draw a line between them. And so we've got the slope going down there, and then this obviously then goes down and goes down to the base. Now it should be the same height all the way around, obviously, so I'm going to measure that there, and then just mark that on the top corner of the bit that I already had. So that there's the point that is the bottom of the base. Okay, so I'm just going to draw that in just part of the line anyway just now, just so you can see the kind of rough shape of the thing. We've got the rest of the base, which would need to be included as well, so we'll deal with all that later. To be honest, that's pretty easy stuff. I'll need to zoom out because I've realised that you haven't seen half the stuff that I've done yet. Okay, just talk you through this slope again. We measured from there to there 22.5, because that's the top of the slope, and then we measured from the corner of the original sort of crate that I did for this top section, we measured down 20. Okay, and we measured along 20. So we came along 20 there and down 20 there, and basically between these 2 points is the slope. And then from there it just goes straight down. To find the bottom part, I used my compass just to measure how high this was, and then I just transferred that onto here. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is work out the position of the slot itself, which is cut into the side of it. So we'll do that in the next video.